He said, I won't disappoint you people. I will not disappoint the world. Baba man solen we, mi man kama wọn lẹ́nu. So let us support him. Let us, give him the support, financial, anything, emotional, prayers, anyhow we can support him, because God is really the one fighting this case. This is a case that would help our country, Nigeria. It is so terrible and so pathetic to see the way and nobody, the government is so insensitive about it. Is
mi ò gbọ́ yín, ó dàbí pé network yín ni o.
Somebody should read this
your network. Can you read your background
who is
Kemi Oluloyo.
Read it for us. Let us see what is there.
Let me go get my second phone so that.
The truth of the matter is we're missing Charlie Banjo and even the father of Liam himself. They both know that their days are numbered concerning this case. Whatever they are enjoying now is just going to be temporary. Do you understand? There cannot be lasting rest for them. Okay. And I've always...
Kemi Oluloyo said, with all the development Mohbad's dad told the UK blogger.
Okay, sorry, let me just wrap up in just 1 minute. I don't know what dropped me, maybe my network. But what I want to say is that they have actually rubbished Baba right from the beginning. And the implication is that they are telling us to our faces, they are telling most Nigerians, because most Nigerians are below, I won't say poverty line, but you understand, below survivor means. And they are rightly telling us to our faces that that means portion they can do and undo. But we are using this opportunity to tell them that we have our voices. We have our voices. And also, one idea that came to my mind is, let us also be advocating as well that let us also, and our children, let us begin to instill in them the ability to be able to share their voice, to voice out. Now we are in the digital era. We all have our phones. Let us open up and talk. Use our platform, use whatever. We have our phones. Let us express ourselves. Because Baba Mohbad tálákà ni carpenter ni kò ní kankan, bàbá gan ò sí lórí internet. As at the time tí gbogbo kinní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, ló fi dàbẹ́ ni pé wọ́n ń lọ bá bàbá don't talk, we will front for you, we will front for you, because they believe they own the social media. Baba doesn't know how to use social media. So let us also begin to see that if that is it, if the social media actually has this much power, àwọn ìyá wa náà kàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lo phone, because anywhere you find yourself and thing is not going on right, please use your voice. Boya recording lo ma gbe si ni oko gbe saye so that people will know what is happening to you wherever you are. Otherwise, they will shut you and silence you totally. Thank you so much. I appreciate the opportunity.
Oh, God bless you. General Sesame, please read the background for us. Rather. Is General Spicy G's there? Are you there, General? Okay, maybe before she comes back, I don't know if Gladito Elio want to say something, or if anybody wants to say something again. Thank you.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Greetings to you.
I'm here. Let me quickly read this part. Sorry, ma.
Okay, good.
So what he says, with all the development, Mohbad told a UK blogger that Saheed Elegushi must speak up as he was mentioned in this fight. The police invited him on a petition from the king, who arrested two men from TikTok for the rumor.
Yeah, of course. That is quite hilarious and surprising. Do you understand? The name of the king was mentioned in the petition. Rather than you inviting the king, you went on to invite even the father of the deceased to competition. Kotoku, or invite the long petition, long petition, they invite it. That's the kind of police that we have in Nigeria. Only God can save that country.
I think
Good morning, everyone. The host, I greet you. Good morning. The panelists and the commenters. Happy weekend, happy Sunday to everyone. Yeah, I saw this post. That post to Aluri wall spicy gist, and I went to comment section, and everybody was just either abusing Cynthia Ashana or Bale, and people were like, "What his action is enough to tell us walk by this boy." Because all the comments in here, Facebook man.
That is it.
Yeah, I want to ban Tomba lórí Facebook, Tomba check Kemi Talks. Go to the comment section. Comment section yẹn nìkan lásán. Oh, speak volume. Oh, speak volume even more than the image posted by Kemi Talks. And people were bashing him. Yeah. So why are we looking for Upai Mohbad? Why are we looking for Upai Mohbad? So this, I think this has even gone viral. I see some other people repost it.
Emma Binuma, comment section, Tanima, Emma Binuma, me, Simbi Tele.
Kemi Talks. Kemi to post image the spicy gist. Sorry, Wale.
Okay, ma.
Kemi Talks. Or the comment section there, Lason, or to summarize anything that we need to talk about. Even if it's Kemi or Sorode, Kemi Talks or Sorode, lori image yen. People had already, they had already given it meaning. They have already said it even beyond what she has in that to say. No, and I was like, wow.
It's crystal clear now. This you don't even need to be a secondary school graduate. Capital letters.
Yeah, and I'm happy people, the awareness is really very strong. Àfàwọn olóṣó bíi Ashana, àwọn nìkan náà máa ń sọ negative thing. It is clear, ṣé mo pé in the past tí Kemi Talks bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n máa ń bú ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad, but I also went through some of the posts tó ṣe lórí Mohbad, and people make comments. It is clear, it is evident ọ̀rọ̀ tí ń sọ ara ẹ̀, because there is consciousness now. Everybody knows what is going on. A lot of people that have been in darkness regarding the pai of this boy, ojú wọn ti ṣí. A lot of followers of Iyabo Ashana, a lot of people, they have turned 360 back. Wọ́n ti rí pé ó kàn gbá wọn mọ́ra ni, wọ́n ti rí pé ó ní irọ́ ni. And people are even asking, why did you take this girl for a DNA and you have not allowed her to do DNA as Baba requested? Anyway, that is by the side. Ṣórin ló yẹ kó máa kọ, wọn tí ì sin ọmọ ẹ̀. When my mother died at 82, Egbomi, my elder brother who is into music, conscious musician, who can like guitar, piano, everything. My brother was on his piano for 6 hours at a stretch. He didn't talk to anybody. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ń pè wá káàkiri ní pé ẹjọ́ o, ọkọ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ó kàn play. It's not that he was singing. He was just playing. That's his own way of expressing grief. Tagbomi bá ti wà tensed up, tó bá ti ní situation to overwhelm me. The only thing he does, he uses to and báyìí lójú ẹ̀ máa ràn ó máa tí ò bá mu sìgá yẹn you can't get the best out of him. So people know themselves. People understand and grieve differently. Kí ló ń bú bàbá fún? Ṣé ẹnu wọn ló fi kọrin ni ṣọmọ wọn ló wà ní mọ́ọ̀gì? Ṣọmọ wọn ló wà ní mọ́ọ̀gì? Why are they pained? Wọ́n sì rí nǹkan tó pa Mohbad wọn tí ìbẹ́rì yẹ olórí burúkú yín ṣe báyìí náà lẹ di òtítọ́ mú tẹ̀ jẹ́ ká rí justice and you guys are busy insulting baba ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ and I ask this question ní bàbá ń kọrin ṣẹ́nu yín ló fi kọrin ṣé bàbá wa bá yín ni pé ẹjọ́ ẹ fún mi lówó mo fẹ́ lọ kọrin Mohbad wà ní mog ṣe love Mohbad yẹn lẹ hold on to justice tẹ jẹ́ ká ìwà ní level tá a wà yìí Mohbad di mọ ṣé ọmọ yín ṣẹ̀yìn lẹ bí Mohbad alára òru òun so what is your problem with baba singing if Mohbad is in the mug how is that your problem ṣẹ̀yìn affect yín ṣẹ̀yìn ò jẹ́ kẹ́ san bills yín ni because on a serious note if you guys had not done the evil tẹ hold on to the truth. Tell hold on to justice. Tell fa wá sẹ́yìn bá ṣe ń lọ síwájú tẹ́ fẹ́ ká rí justice tá dé máa rí. Ní síbi tá wà yìí. Tí olórí burúkú yín tẹ́ bá pè Wùmí, tẹ́ ti sọ fún pé kí Wùmí jẹ́wọ́. Ṣé a máa wà ní level tá wà? Yet you guys are insulting Baba. Please leave this man. People grieve differently. People express pain differently. Bó ṣe bí Baba ṣe mọ̀ láti express pain ẹ̀ nìyẹn. I remember I was still in Nigeria, and then when I went to UK, my first time was in UK, and I already discussed with my husband, okay, come by Lama Somo. Throughout the labor, because I was induced, Orin ni mò ń kọ. I was just singing throughout. Mama pariwo, yeah. I was singing. Do you know when UK tẹ́ bá ti bímọ, wọ́n ṣe ìjọ name kan fọmọ lórúkọ tán bá máa fún yín ní red book yẹn immediately they will ask you what name you want to give your child wọ́n á dẹ̀ kọ sórí red book immediately they asked me you know what came to my head orin tí mo kọ mo dẹ̀ rí orúkọ yọ nínú orin yẹn orúkọ yẹn ni mo fún ọmọ mi and I had to call my husband immediately that my situation when I was in labour òun ni mo ṣe mú orúkọ yìí. So what I'm saying is people derive pleasure. Then even me, when I'm bathing, when I'm cooking, sometimes when I first got married, Timbani Jupeloko me, you know, that he's upset, that he's talking. I don't yell back at him. Instead of talking, Mama Koni, that's my own way of expressing myself when I'm tensed up. So why are you blaming everybody? The way people express themselves when they are tensed up, when they are in grief, when they are mourning. If you ask some people will tell you differently. Some people will cry, some people will not cry. So why is Baba's way of expressing tension an issue? Probably when this poor man is missing his son and is remembering things that they did together. And the man will just go on his studio and sing. So what's the big deal? Tí o bá ṣe pé ẹ jẹ́ ká, tí o bá ṣe pé ẹ jẹ́ ẹni bí, tí o bá ṣe pé ìkà ni yín, kí ló dé tí ẹ jẹ́ ká rí justice gbà? Tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń bú bàbá oníbàbá. That is by the side. Sherry, lórí a lot of things, lórí justice for Mohbad. Àwọn Ìyábọ̀ wọ́n fojú and some other people wọ́n fojú di bàbá because the man, to them, the man is poor. He's a poor carpenter. So they cannot imagine this man will ever get anything done. They have ridiculed this man. They made fun of him. They knew this man. Where will you get the money from? A man that needed money to train his son in school. Kiloshi, Baba lo gba gbomole lantan to train his son in school. Now, everybody, all these anti-justice, they had no hope in Baba. They knew the man was not read, and the man is not that literate. When it comes to education, though he speaks in good English, he expresses himself very well. Baba so He expresses himself very well. So they didn't have any hope in this man financially. They didn't have any hope in this man in any other way. And that was why Wumi came out, Yabo came out with a full chest. That is Sope Ibimeta, Motimashi DNA. Washil America. Which other states, countries, mention? I know she mentioned some states, but I remember she said America. Boya wọ́n gba visa fún Wunmi ni Atome. Wọ́n lọ ṣe America, and she mentioned 3 countries and said, Wunmi said she doesn't want to do the DNA in Nigeria. She wants to do it outside Nigeria. Now we are ready. You guys lost hope. You guys as along. You guys limited what God can do. Believe in God. You guys believe this man. There's no hope for him. There's nothing he can do. You guys never believed. Pé Ọlọ́run lè yọ omi kúrò nínú rock. You never knew that. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé Ọlọ́run and you guys just, for you demanding, you took him for granted that nothing good can come out of him. Unfortunately, you guys got disappointed because people like us fighting for true justice rose up for this man, made contribution at a time that you never knew this could happen. We made contribution for the man for the DNA. And now for DNA toxicology and some other things. And now that we are ready, Yabo, you told us, like you proposed and suggested, that we should go to 3 countries. Now we are ready to have the DNA done. Your girl is running helter skelter. Unsaka akiri. She death sentence ni DNA ni. Ejo, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Is DNA death sentence? Ṣé wọ́n ní kí Wùmí wá gbọ́jọ́ òkú ni? Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ hang Wùmí, wọ́n fẹ́ hang to death ni? Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ kí Wùmí wá face firing squad ni? If you, Wunmi Ashana, if you love that child, how can you let your child be humiliated? So many times he's been cursed on, yes. And you are low far. Please, I sometimes I ask myself, why is Wunmi running helter skelter? She be Virgin Mary ni. She be Mohbad Lodi's virgin. According to her, she got disvirgined by Mohbad, and his family members are aware. Our family member, tí Mohbad bá fẹ́ do, wọ́n máa wọlé, wọ́n á ṣí ojú sílẹ̀, wọ́n á dẹ̀ rí bí Mohbad ṣe ń do with you. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ rí bí Mohbad ṣe pariwo pé she's a virgin. Ìwọ ní Mohbad Lodi's virgin. Meanwhile, wọ́n ní Mohbad náà ló kọ lórin. Ó ní Lekki transformer ni ẹ́. What I'm going to talk about this afternoon is about DNA. Ó ní Lekki transformer ni ẹ́. You see, I keep saying it. If women don't do DNA, kí n rí obìnrin tó dìde tó lóun lọ ṣe DNA. The moment you see a woman request for DNA, kí ni mí ni ẹ̀? It means she's unfaithful. So ìyẹn ti kọ́kọ́ clarify reason why Baba is insisting on DNA, because Wunmi herself has proved to us pé òun unfaithful. So she's a wayward girl. Now I understand part of the petition tó kọ ni pé Baba sọ pé òun máa ń F around. And I said, well, if that is the case, Baba have a very good reason to defend himself. Kí ló lọ ṣe DNA fún? Kí ló agree? Ọkọ ẹ ní ó sọ pé ọkọ ẹ ò béèrè fún DNA, but you fucking around now. Òun F around now. Wọ́n ní kó wá ṣe, ó lè ṣe ti Baba fún. But ó lọ ṣe ti Ìyábọ̀. Kí ló lọ ṣe DNA fún tó bá dá ẹ lójú pé Mohbad ló lọ́mọ? You have simply told us that child does not belong to Mohbad. Now, they share DNA. Okay, fine. Kí ló dé tẹ̀lé post ẹ̀? Ìyábọ̀, ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ńjọ́ sí, ó gbé gbogbo receipt of payments, owó tó pay sínú account DJ Splash, ó gbé jáde. Why is it difficult to post the DNA results you did for Liam? Kí ló dé tó lè post ẹ̀? And I'm so happy. Nobody denied that DNA test. BJ ló kọ́kọ́ já wa sí. BJ sọ orúkọ hospital, ó sọ orúkọ èèyàn tó ń fi ṣe DNA, ó sọ everything. Nobody came out to deny. Nobody said it is not so. orúkọ hospital yẹn mo expect pé kàn ti sue BJ. Nobody did that. Orúkọ lawyer tí Falana ní kàn lò. BJ mentioned her name. I expected that lady to have sued BJ. Nobody did that. Ìyẹn lọ bá yẹn. Now, VDM dẹ̀ tú àṣírí lórí stupid group chat yẹn. VDM came up and read it. Níbi tí Ìyábọ̀ ti ní na Mohbad blood. Why can't you come out ó sọ̀rọ̀ fún bíi 20 hours ìjọ sí ìjọ tó dìde láti ṣe damage control? At the end of the day, you said nothing. You spoke for 20 hours, eventually you said nothing. Torí mi ò rórí mi rí dín nǹkan tó sọ. O kàn wá waste time ara ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn ni. In everything you said, why didn't you talk about DNA? I was expecting you, though I didn't listen to you, but kí ló ń pè TikTok, ó máa ń gbé clip part of the place tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ibì kankan tán court mo máa ń gbọ́ ọ̀bọ̀ mi ìjókòó kí n wò ẹ́, but I think it was a Sunday and I had to be in church, yeah. So why tó o ṣe lè post ìwọ tó lè post the receipt of payment fún DJ Splash? Why is it difficult for you to post the DNA results? Why didn't you talk about the DNA results when you were, defending yourself, when you were busy doing damage control? Why didn't you talk about DNA? Pé DNA yẹn o, èmi kọ́ ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, mi ṣe o, àbí DNA yẹn lóòótọ́ ni mo ṣe, this is the result. Why didn't you do that? Tó bá dá ìwọ lójú pé DNA tẹ́ ṣe yẹn positive results ló gbé jáde, kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣe? Ìwọ Ìyábọ̀, paternity test ni mo gbọ́ o, mi mọ̀ bóyá ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí panel àbí everybody tó ń gbóhùn mi ní àárọ̀ yìí, mi mọ̀ bóyá ẹ ti gbọ́ maternity test rí, èmi ò mọ̀ o. Paternity test ni mo gbọ́ Ìyábọ̀. Wọ́n ní kí Wùmí ṣe DNA, ó dẹ̀ gbé ya Mohbad. Ṣé orí ẹ̀ kú tó yẹn ni? Ó dẹ̀ gbé ya Mohbad, àmọ̀pá bí agbá ni ya Mohbad. Ya Mohbad, ìyá rádaràda téèyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fi tọrọ. Ó dẹ̀ gbé ya Mohbad, ó dẹ̀ lọ fi ṣe maternity test. Ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe tán. And meanwhile, you can't get the accurate result. Even if Liam is Mohbad's child, you can't get the accurate result using Mama Mohbad. Everybody should know that. Supposing Katiemani Mohbad, Kani, mommy, Mohbad ló ní ọmọ. So the lawyer Mohbad, you can't get the exact result. So you could be daddy. Could you have concluded lie? So where did you now get your is Mohbad's blood? That's what you said. Ìkànnì Ìyábọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe ní justice for Mohbad, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa carry ẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Ìwọ Wùmí, bàbá béèrè DNA láti early last year. Ọ̀tọ̀ ló sá kìtàkìtì tó ní kàn gba court order, wọ́n gba court order dé wọ́n rí ẹ. Wọ́n lẹ̀ mórí gate ò yọjú. Ìgbà tó yá, ó ṣe round meeting. Ó ní ó máa ṣe, but tó bá ṣe, result tó bá jáde ńbẹ̀, bàbá ò gbọdọ̀ sọ sí ìta. Ṣé ọ̀dẹ̀ lẹ pé bàbá ni? Bàbá dẹ̀ sọ pé public ni ó rán òun níṣẹ́. Ó máa jíṣẹ́ fún public, òun ò lè fi ṣe òkú òru. Ẹ lè ṣe mọ́. Ìgbà tó tún yá o tún dìde. Ìgbà yẹn náà tiẹ̀ ń sọ pé wọ́n á ṣe ní UCH ńgbà yẹn. Ló dẹ̀ tún dìde, ló dẹ̀ tún ní rárá hospital tí wọ́n bá fẹ́, I think Lagoon and bóyá Reddington àbí kí náà pé the other hospital. Ìwọ kọ́ ló béèrè fún DNA. So why are you giving Baba condition? Ìwọ fún Baba ní condition pé hospital tó ti gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe nìyẹn, hospital tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti parí iṣẹ́ síbẹ̀, ẹ ti fi owó bribe wọn. Ó ń fún Baba ní condition. And Baba said no, ìwọ ò lè dance to the tune of Baba. Who are you? Kí ló gbé sáyà? Èṣù ló gbé mi ní àbí kí ni? Baba dẹ̀ fún any condition tiẹ̀. You can't meet Baba's condition, but you're expecting Baba to meet your condition. Orí ẹ̀ burú ni. Èmi ò rí irú èèyàn bíi tiẹ̀ rí. Ogun lẹ ṣe títí fún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ẹ fi ogun ẹ fi sọ Mohbad dàdàkúdà. Ẹ fi ogun ẹ fi control ọmọdé. Because on a good day, every man wants a submissive wife. Every man wants a loyal wife. Every man wants a good wife in terms of behavior, in everything. Every man wants a woman that will be able to cook for them. Everyone wants a woman with virtues of a reasonable woman, wife, and mother. You lack everything. Ṣé ọkùnrin wo ló wà normal tí ṣe pé wọ́n fi oògùn báyé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló máa rí gbogbo qualities tí Wùmí ní tó máa go ahead láti fẹ́? Some men lásán some men lásán tó bá rí pé ìyàwó wọn, I know quite some few men, some men that I know, pé ó ní particular person kan tó ń pè ìyàwó wọn, ọkọ wọn dẹ̀ change sim, ó change ẹ̀ fún ìyàwó, kò fẹ́. The guy said, no, I know my wife does not cheat, but there's this guy, ó ti mọ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́, ó ti toast ẹ̀ rí, wọ́n máa ń pè ìyàwó mi lẹ́yìn kọ̀ọ̀kan, ó change sim. Ó change sim. How much more? You are effing around. And Mohbad still went ahead and kept you in the house. Mohbad ò mọ̀ pé kú ló ń gbé sílé. Mohbad you out of his life. And the time that the ogun was expiring, ìgbà yẹn lọmọdé tí ń la ojú díẹ̀díẹ̀ pé ṣóun ò ní jápa báyìí, ṣóun ò ní sá lọ. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ fi ṣe kàkà kéku má jẹ sìsì. A fi ṣàwàdànù. Wùmí, ìwọ ló máa ṣòfò. Ìwọ ló máa ṣòfò. Ẹ lè pa ọmọ ológo kẹ̀dẹ̀ feel pé lè live. Ẹ lè pa ọmọ ológo ẹ̀dẹ̀ pa ọmọ yẹn in his prime age. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ pa gbé dání. Ìwọ wá ní gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ní ni wàá fi protect ọmọ ẹ̀. Ṣé Mohbad ò kì í ṣọmọ ni? Ṣé Mohbad ò kì í ṣọmọ ni? Ìyá Mohbad dẹ̀ ti ṣàdúrà fún ẹ. Ó ti ní irú ìyàwó bíi tiẹ̀. Ó ní Liam máa fẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ fi àṣẹ sí ní orúkọ bàbá àti ti ọmọ àti ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa rí. So what does Iya Mohbad knows that she's not telling us that she said that kind of prayer? Why is Iya Mohbad not coming out to say the truth? Why is Iya Mohbad hiding the truth? Ọmọ tó bí orú ẹ̀rí abiyamọ máa bu ọmọ ẹ̀ ní. Iya Mohbad expose ọmọ tiẹ̀. Iya Mohbad expose ọmọ tiẹ̀ sí ikú. Ìyábọ̀ ìkà ọmọ ibi tó ti ń jábọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé tí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ìjọ kan lòtítọ́ máa bá. There is no way you will tell lies. Sometimes you don't even remember what lies you have told. And you need to keep using lies to cover up the lies you told, the first lie you told. You have to think of another lie to cover up. You have to think another lie to cover up the one that you thought of. You have to keep lying and lying. Ìyábọ̀ ti gbàgbéra kò mọ̀gbà tó jábọ́ sí ìyá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, ìyá ẹ̀ tó wà ní Dublin tó sọ fún ìyá pé ìyá Mohbad wà lẹ́jọ́ Monday. I don't know if anyone had that part of the story or the conversation between Iyabo and that Iya. Iyabo jábọ́. Iyabo ní ìyá Mohbad wà nílé níjọ́ Monday. She made a lot of revelations. Ìyá yẹn wá sọ pé Ashana Cynthia. Ìyá yẹn wá sọ pé Ashana Cynthia pé she's a suspect. Ìwọ Ìyábọ̀ olórí burúkú oní no, she's not a suspect. Thank you my people. Àwọn èèyàn sì ń confirm lórí ó ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ sọ. Ìyá Mohbad wà ń bẹ̀. So Ìyá Mohbad knows everything that happened. And Ìyá Mohbad ó find it difficult láti jáde láti sọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Now Ìyábọ̀ ìyá ẹ̀ sọ pé prime suspect ní Ashana àti gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílé yẹn òun gba wájú òun gbẹ̀yìn. Obviously wọ́n ló kọ script. They said Wunmi Ashana, she's a witness. And my question is, witness for who? Or witness to who? Or witness to what? Prime suspect is a witness to who? Ìyá yẹn sọ pé gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílé yẹn they are prime suspect. Ìwọ ní rárá ọlọ́pàá ti interrogate wọn, they have been interrogated. Báwo ni Ìyábọ̀ ṣe mọ̀? Ṣé Ìyábọ̀ wà nílé yẹn nígbà tí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀? Obviously Ìyábọ̀ wrote that script. Ìyábọ̀ wrote that script because exactly what Wunmi has said, the narrative that is flying around is exactly what Ìyábọ̀ said. So what is this telling us? Ìyábọ̀ ló kọ script. It's so obvious. Ìyábọ̀ ló kọ script fún wọn. Ṣé wá rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé rí script wọn yẹn wọn bá má kọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá mọ̀ pé a máa fà á di time. You know, on a good day in Nigeria when things happen. Time yẹn tí mo wà ní Naija tó ń bá wàhálà wọn á ṣe o mi mọ̀ maybe before I was born but after àgbà tí wọ́n ti bí mi tí mo ti gbọ́njú in the history of Nigeria kì í fa nǹkan tí nǹkan bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ̀ye ìgbà tó máa ní a máa strike labour over the night tílẹ̀ bá máa fi mọ́ wọn sí call of strike tó bá máa strike bóyá 1 day ó pọ̀ jù 2 days after 2 days wọ́n á ti pe àwọn labour people executives wọ́n á ti bribe wọ́n á ti call it off. There's nothing we drag for so long in Nigeria up to 1 week. It has never happened in the history of Nigeria. So wọ́n fojú di ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad. Wọ́n mọ̀ power kan a lè fa nǹkan fún as long as possible. Tó bá mọ̀ pé bó ṣe máa rí wọ́n ní script tí Ìyábọ̀ kọ bí script ṣe máa rí kọ́ nìyẹn. Ìyábọ̀ àti kọ script yẹn nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ in the next. Okay, yeah, I agree with you absolutely. But ASU strike is just for ASU. A section of the economy, a section in the country, like education sector. So that's ASU strike. It's not universal. When ASU is on strike, every other person goes to work. Doctors go to work, teachers, other teachers go to work, people go, bankers, every other person works. And it doesn't shut down the country. I'm talking of a situation that the whole country will shut down. ASU strike can take months, 6 months. The whole economy, the whole country went on strike for as long as possible. So inye no ṣe fojú di justice for Mohbad. So script tó ń kọ, wọ́n kàn kọ script of maybe pátápátá 3 months. Àwa wà ní script 2 years, àwọn kankan bá wọn lójijì, wọn mọ bó ṣe máa ṣe. Then in the script tí Ìyábọ̀ kọ, there was no issue of DNA. So DNA náà bá wọn lójijì. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé script DNA máa jáde ni. Tó bá mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ DNA máa jáde, wọn bá ti tún rí script wọn á ti kọ lé lórí, but wọn mọ̀. So a lot of things came to them in shock because they didn't know we are going to drag it for this long. They wrote a script of maybe 3 months, 2 months, everybody adake, but here we are, 2 years. We're still on it. Ó bá wọn lójijì, confusion bá wọn. And that is why Wumi tó ṣe ń sá kìtìkìtì kiri. Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé Nigeria is such a useless country? Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé for once we can't even stand for the truth in Nigeria? Am I ashamed to be called a Nigerian? Yes, I am 100%. Am I proud to be a Nigerian? No, 100%. I am not proud to be a Nigerian. Do I want to have anything to do with Nigeria no more? No, I don't want to. Why? Because of gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹni ká wálé ilé làbọ̀ sinmi oko. Ṣebí ilé tó bá dáa làbọ̀ sinmi oko. Ṣebí ilé téèyàn, your home is where you are comfortable, not where you are born. Wọ́n la wá sílùú òyìnbó, a wá ṣe second class citizen. I want to be 100 class citizen where I am. Nigeria tó jẹ́ ìlú mi, ṣé mo ti ẹ̀ mú citizen kankan? Mo wà ní bóyá 1,000 or 20,000 class citizen ní mi ní Nigeria tó jẹ́ ìlú mi because I don't have a say. Nílùú yìí tí nǹkan kan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tí n bá lọ ní títì téèyàn kan harass mi tí mo mọ identity ẹ̀, màá walk into police station, I will report to the police and say this person is harassing me. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan sí. Téèyàn kan bá threaten me with anything or threaten my child, pé màá ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún ẹ, màá ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún ẹ, whatever you used to ordinary threats, I will walk into the police station, they will act on it. Can I do that in Nigeria? No. So why are you saying ilé làbọ̀ sí mi oko? Kò ní dá fún ilé, kò ní dá fún gbogbo àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì tó wà nílé. Ilé is where you are comfortable, that you get things done, that you are treated as a human being, that you are treated with.
You're not going on a long.
Olukom, you're mute, ma. Okay. Okay, so Ile is where you are treated like a citizen of that Ile. Ile is where you are comfortable, you can move around anyhow, you can do things are easy for you, you can complain, where the system is working. Is Nigeria home for me? Capital no. Torí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ni. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo ti sọ, anybody tó bá ti sọ fún mi pé ilé làbọ̀ sí mi oko mú, ẹ má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi mọ́. Torí mi, ìlú tí mo wà ní ilé mi. Ìlú tí mo wà ní ilé mi. And I already told my kids, tó bá dọjọ́ alẹ́ tí mo ti dàgbàdàgbà tí mo lọ síbi tágbà ń rè, ẹ má gbé mi lọ Nàìjíríà, tẹ́ bá gbé mi dé Nàìjíríà máa jí dìde o. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbé mi dé Nàìjíríà máa jí dìde. So why is Nigeria this bad? And you will tell us we are second-class citizen in another country that has accepted us. Gbogbo ara wa náà gbà. Nigeria that we are, ọ̀tọ̀ ní Boko Haram, ọ̀tọ̀ ní pé àwọn ilé ń para wọn, ọ̀tọ̀ ní pé ilé ń para wọn. Tẹ́ bá lẹ lọ lé, ẹ lè lọ hotel. Tẹ́ bá lọ hotel, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá lẹ lọ family house, ẹ ní fi gbogbo ara sùn. Ẹ mọ̀ àwọn tó love yín, even people that are pretending to love you. Wọ́n lè yín yín lọ́rùn kílẹ̀ tó mọ́. Wọ́n lè dà nǹkan sílẹ̀, ó lè má jẹ oúnjẹ tẹ́ máa jẹ náà máa fi poison sí. Wọ́n lè gbọ́n wọ́n nǹkan sílẹ̀. Kẹ́ get out. Kẹ́ kaput. Kò sí good road. Dangote la gbọ́ tó ń pa àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣà àwọn ọmọ léṣe back to back. Ẹ wá ní ilé làbọ̀ sí mi oko. Àní kò ní dá fún lẹ́sẹ̀. Nàìjíríà yẹn kò ní dá fún. Ẹ wá ń pa àwọn ọmọ wa ológo, ẹ wá sọ fún mi pé ilé làbọ̀ sí mi oko. Ẹ wá kọ ẹ̀ fún wa ní justice. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń rí òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ dẹ̀ wà glaring. Tó bá jẹ́ ìlú ìnìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Mi rò pé ó máa need 1 week láti ṣe investigation. They don't need 1 week to do this investigation. Wọ́n á ti rí èèyàn tó pa Mohbad because ó wà obvious, is clear and is so obvious. Ìwọ Wùmí jáde, ẹni Mohbad ní kẹ́ rán mi sóhun lórí. Ìwọ àdúrà jáde ó láfẹ́ sí òjò, afẹ́ sí òjò kill you there àdúrà. Afẹ́ sí òjò kill you there mi ìgbọ́ rí. Kí ni èjì ẹ tán tí yẹ ti bá yẹ ẹ jẹ́? Video made a valid point tí mi ti ẹ̀rọ tẹ́lẹ̀. Nínú interview, Wunmi said, Mohbad said, oh yeah, pour me water, pour me AC, pour me this, pour me that. Àdúrà jẹ́ ká understand pé Mohbad ò sọ̀rọ̀. So which one do we believe? Which one do we believe? Ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn police force wa, police is your friend. No! Mi nígbà tí Nigeria pé police is your friend. Police is your enemy. Police is your enemy in Nigeria as far as I'm concerned. Tí wọ́n ti divorce ara wọn or tí wọ́n ti wà separated tó ń threaten ìyàwó, wọ́n á fún ní space how far tó lè súnmọ́ ìyàwó yẹn pé o ò gbọ́dọ̀ súnmọ́ ìyàwó tó fẹ́ tó bímọ fún. Can that happen in Nigeria? No. Every sentiment see everything. Everything is all about sentiment. Àwa kan ẹ lórí ojú wa ti dá. Ẹ lójú wa ti dá. Kì í ṣe pé ojú wa dá. Reality la wa face. Ẹ wá ń sọ ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ kódó. Ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ ọba gbé fọ́ṣùn. Ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ bó ṣe máa gbé ọmọ wá láti ta. Ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ bó ṣe blomblom. Ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ọgbọ́n oògùn láti máa divert owó Mohbad sínú àkáǹtì yẹ. Ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ láti jump from bed to bed. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń sọ fún wa pé ọmọ kékeré ni. Ẹ wo ohun ẹ̀ bó ṣe kẹ̀. My mother died at 82. She had beautiful sexy voice. Kò ń ṣe irú voice. Ẹ lè mọ̀ pé ìyá yẹn 82 ni. Wùmí á jáde ohun ti kẹ̀. Ó ti fà, ó ti fa gbó, ti fa láfíńgà. Ó ti fa gbogbo ọmọ burúkú ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ láti kékeré. Báwo ló ṣe pàdé Mohbad náà? Mohbad, mi mọ̀ ìjọ́ tó pàdé ọmọ yẹn, I caused that day. I caused that day on your behalf, Mohbad. I wish you never met. Ewo Mohbad such a lovely boy. Ewo Mohbad such a lovely boy. Even from his song, the few times that I interviewed, the few times that I had the video, boyo sorrow, about anything, oh sure, but that boy is a lovely boy. Ọkùnrin tó yẹ kí obìnrin tó responsible kó máa gbàdúrà láti fẹ́ ni. Ọkùnrin tó yẹ kí obìnrin gidi kí Mohbad yẹn kó pàdé ọmọ olóríire irú Chioma yẹn. ilé ayé gan ní remain the same because he will continue to move higher and higher and higher. Kóbìnrin máa ṣe kẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ máa ó ló wà nílé ọkùnrin òun ṣe noodles Mohbad ibi tó ti ń ro àmàlà ṣé bí ilé ọkọ làwa náà wà Wùmí ṣé orí pé lórí burúkú ni ẹ́ di ó lẹ́tìn tó mọ̀ ṣe ni pé kó o máa tẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin kó o máa dóko kiri o mọ nǹkan kan you can't do any other thing o mọ bọ́n ṣe ń fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní dá fún ìyá tó bí ẹ vengeance ti lọ according to vengeance Aníjùmọ̀kẹ́ bírú mọ́lẹ̀ Aníjùmọ̀kẹ́ bírú mọ́lẹ̀ ó bírú mọ́lẹ̀ mẹ́ta tó ń ba ayé jẹ́ ó bírú mọ́lẹ̀ mẹ́ta tó sayé dokodo ṣé kò yẹ kán ti so Jùmọ̀kẹ́ mọ́ àgbá kán ti gbébọn fún at the age of 16 kó tó di pé bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bímọ tó bá sì mọ̀ pé lórí burúkú báyìí ni it is better for some people not to be born than them being born and destroy the society. Why was Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ever born? It is better for her not to be born. Why was Wunmi born? Irú àwọn ọmọ burúkú yóò yẹ kó fi wọ́n ṣe menses ìdànù ni. I tell people, one of my exercises in life is to put smile on people's faces. I pray to God and God is helping me. And I'm happy that a lot of times I put smiles on people's faces, even people that I don't know, not my family members. But kí ni àǹfààní tó wà nílé ayé tó jẹ́ pé òun kan ọmọ ọlọ́mọ lẹ́kún ni àti Wùmí àti Ìyábọ̀. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí tẹ́ ha mọ́ yẹn ó ṣe kò ṣe ó mà láwọn tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ń fìdí ó mà láwọn tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ń fún lówó Mohbad ó mà láwọn tó ń ṣoore fún ẹ mú ọmọ yẹn pàdánù kí wá láǹfààní tẹ́ wà nílé ayé kí láǹfààní yín àti Ìyábọ̀ àti Wùmí kí náà bí yín fún wọn bá ti fi yín ṣe mẹ́sìsì dànù kò yẹ kẹ́ exist because you have no value to add to life. You are not adding any value. You are devaluing people. You are devaluing the society. Ìwọ olóṣì Ìyábọ̀ gbogbo ọ́fíìsì àwọn CP gbogbo wọn IG gbogbo wọn ló ń tọ̀ kiri gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti mọ̀ from office to office kí ló fi ń ṣe ìdí ni ìwọ ò mọ any other thing ó mọ bó ṣe ń fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ìdí ló mọ̀ láti fi ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá ti dọ́fíìsì wọn wàá fọwọ́ ga wíńdò wàá yọ̀dí sẹ́gbẹ̀ wàá yẹ pátá sílẹ̀ wàá yẹ ṣòkòtò sílẹ̀ wàá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dọ́gí olóṣì olórí burúkú paternity test ni mo mọ̀ ó lọ ṣe maternity test ẹ pé Ìyábọ̀ ẹ jọ kéèyàn kan bá mi pè Ìyábọ̀ bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Ìyábọ̀ 1+1 Ìyábọ̀ àní Sùlẹ́lẹ́ ẹni 2+3 Ìyábọ̀ àlọ́ba ní kòrò ẹni 4+2 Ìyábọ̀ àní Dino Bẹ̀láyè ẹni 3+7 Ìyábọ̀ sọ fún yín pé bàbá jẹgẹjẹgẹ because nǹkan ṣoṣo tí Ìyábọ̀ ọmọ nìyẹn kò sí nǹkan kan lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ bó ṣe máa tẹ̀lé ọkùnrin tó máa tẹ̀lé Dino tẹ bá béèrè Dino tẹ bá ní 1+1 Ìyábọ̀ á ní DINO ẹ sọ pé 2+4 Ìyábọ̀ á ní SULELE Sùlẹ́lẹ́ ẹ pè Ìyábọ̀ ẹ ní 3+3 á ní BABA JEGE bàbá jẹgẹjẹgẹ olóṣì the only thing tó mọ̀ ni ọkùnrin private party ọkùnrin òun ló wà lórí Ìyábọ̀ ibi tó rí ẹ kú dé wọ́n ní ṣe paternity test ó lọ ṣe maternity test ṣéyàn tó rí ẹ ò kú ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti sọ fún pé pọ́nrán Dino ni àbí pọ́nrán ọba níkòrò tẹ́ bá ti sọ yẹn fún ni á ti mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ kò mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ paternity test she doesn't know kò mọ̀ ni kò fi ṣe ká ìgbà tó rí ẹ ti kú Ìyábọ̀ tàmàlàtì alámàlà wo ni ò kì í tà ẹran tí àmàlà ṣíta ẹ̀yìn èèyàn mi àátó kíù síbẹ̀ ni in those days Ìyábọ̀ tàmàlàtì because she's not used to working she's not used to making money with her hands she's used to sleeping around to make her money olófo òun ló kọ́ mú àṣànà níṣẹ́ àṣànà tó ló ń lọ sí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tó ń lọ kọ́ ṣàwámà kó ló lọ kọ́ ó lọ ṣe internship lóru ni pẹ̀lú àwọn ọkùnrin ó kọ́ṣẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ ló kọ́ níṣẹ́ ṣàmọ̀ pé téèyàn bá ṣe ṣàmọ̀ tó ṣe OND náà máa ṣe internship and then there are some courses bóyá engineering àbí I don't know wọ́n lọ ṣe internship you guys know right so Ìyábọ̀ ti kọ́ Wùmí níṣẹ́ àṣànà ó ti kọ́ níṣẹ́ olóṣó and àṣànà needed to do internship so hotel tó ló ti lọ ń kọ́ ṣàwámà yẹn ṣàwámà kọ́ ló lọ kọ́ o ó lọ ṣe internship ní lóòrù pẹ̀lú àwọn ọkùnrin nǹkan tó lọ ṣe nìyẹn ẹ wá rí nǹkan kan ṣe ẹ mọ bó ṣe ń fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní dáa fún Jùmọ̀kẹ́ once again Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ayé ẹ̀ máa rún jégéjégé ni ayé ẹ̀ ò ní dáa torí irúmọlẹ̀ ò tó bí àwọn demons tó bí tó ló bímọ àwọn ló ń bayé jẹ́ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ kò ní dáa fún ẹ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ àtúbọ̀tán ẹ̀ ò ní dáa Jùmọ̀kẹ́ mo wish pé o ti kú láti kékeré mo wish pé mọ́tò ẹ ti gbá ẹ dànù mo wish pé o exist àbá má débi tá a dé torí ọmọ tó bí òun ló ń bayé jẹ́ ọmọ tó bí ló sún adébi tá a dé yìí ọmọ tó bí olóṣó kí obìnrin ọmọ wà kan ti ju ọmọ sílẹ̀ at 13 years old ẹ wá ní kọ́mọ yẹn ṣe rere kí ìyá bí ọmọ kó má bójú ẹ̀yìn kí ló bímọ fún there are so many people in this part of the world tí mo wà wọn bímọ deliberately ni a lot of them ò bímọ èèyàn mi àsọ fún wọn yín pé they are married o kì í ṣe pé wọn sílé ọkọ o there is even one woman that said àjọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni ó ní òun ò fẹ́ kí ọyàn òun kó sag òun àtọkọ ẹdẹ ìjọsọ ó lóun ò fẹ́ kó sag torí pé ò fẹ́ kọyàn ságì ló ṣe bímọ mo ní ìyẹn náà nice kò bímọ àdèmàríyàn mi kò lè go through stress of ọmọ bíbí that stress go pregnancy child breastfeeding taking care of a child a baby títí ọmọ máa kékeré títí ó máa fi dàgbà I can't go through that stress wọn bímọ I know one lady báyẹn ó lówó gan ní Nàìjíríà she travels everywhere ó lóun ò lè ṣe wàhálà ọmọ Yorùbá ni she's from Ondo State ó lóun ò lè ṣe wàhálà ọmọ kò dẹ̀ bímọ dóò kò má rì kò bímọ so it's not a crime pé yàn wà tí ò bímọ it's not a crime ṣé kò wá bẹ́tà kí Jùmọ̀kẹ́ má bímọ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ báyé jẹ́ ó tún wá bímọ kó wá èèyàn bímọ fún ó tún wá lọ bímọ fún cousin my people what product do you expect from two cousins sleeping together no let's be realistic do you expect something good to come out two cousins gbogbo taboos and abominations ilé ayé yìí ọ̀dọ̀ Wùmí àti Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ni mo ti rí I will list some for you number one ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ẹ sọ fún mi tí n bá ń parọ́ ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tẹ́ bá wà ní ibẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹ́yìn ilé ìgbà kẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ kó wọ́n máa lọ sínú àkáǹtì ìyá ìyàwó yín is an abomination mi ò gbọ́ rí nǹkan tẹ́mi tẹ́ máa ń gbọ́ ni àwọn ọkùnrin tó tún máa ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ obìnrin but kí ọkùnrin máa ṣiṣẹ́ kó wọ́n máa lọ sínú àkáǹtì ìyá girlfriend ẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin lè gbà á àbí mi mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni ṣé ẹ lè gbà á abomination ọ̀dọ̀ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ àti Àṣànà láti rí èkejì ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé cousins àwọn míì máa ń sọ but wọ́n lè ná bára wọn sùn but tán bímọ fúnra wọn tán dẹ̀ mọ̀ kì í ṣe pé wọ́n mọ̀ àwọn tí mo ti gbọ́ rí ni ìkan wà ní bóyá Canada ìkan wà ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n dẹ̀ meet wọ́n dẹ̀ ní relationship wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ra wọn but pé cousins ń fẹ́ra wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bímọ fúnra wọn abomination ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tẹ́ wà lórí ìkànnì èèyàn mélòó ló máa jẹ́ kí màmá òun kúnlẹ̀ fún girlfriend díẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bóyá mò ń parọ́ ni abomination ni even ìyàwó ilé how many men of you men will take that ìyá Mohbad wọn kúnlẹ̀ fún ó máa ṣe o Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ó bayé jẹ́ bó ṣe bayé jẹ́ yẹn báyẹn láyé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ bó ṣe bayé jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ láyé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ẹ ṣe ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹni mi ìparọ́ ó tọ́ ni àwọn nǹkan tí a normal person ò lè gbà abomination tí mi gbọ́ rí èmi ò gbọ́ rí bóyá ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ rí kí ìyá ọkùnrin kó kúnlẹ̀ fún girlfriend ọmọ ẹ̀ mi gbọ́ rí bóyá òun ló ṣe jọ mí lójú àbí kí ọkùnrin máa ṣiṣẹ́ kó dẹ̀ máa kówó sínú àkáǹtì yẹ which man would take that àwọn ọkùnrin tó ní ego tó jẹ́ pé ego báyé wọn jẹ́ àwọn ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé ego yẹn ó báyé wọn jẹ́ wọn ní jẹ́ àwọn ọkùnrin tó ṣe jẹ́ pé wọn ní jẹ́ kíyàwó wọn rí wọn tán àìmọye ọkùnrin tíyàwó ẹ̀ ò mọye tó ń gbà á wá máa sanwó sínú àkáǹtì yẹ ní girlfriend àbí mi ní mi mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni because mo máa ń jókòó mo máa ń ro ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé Jùmọ̀kẹ́ mo tún sọ bó ṣe báyé jẹ́ báyé ẹ̀ ṣe máa bàjẹ́ nìyẹn ìyá Wùmí ìwọ àti Ìyábọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe báyé jẹ́ báyé yín ṣe máa bàjẹ́ nìyẹn kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé ẹ fi ìkà ẹ fi ṣe aṣọ ẹ fi ìkà ẹ fi ṣe oúnjẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń sùn ẹ̀ ń jí ẹ ronú pé jọ́kàn ẹ tójú oorun dójú ikú ẹ ronú pé one day you will sleep and you will not wake up when you sleep and you don't wake up ẹ ronú pé kí ni ẹ̀ǹdì yín máa jẹ́ ṣàrò pé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí ẹ máa mú jẹ ni ìkà ò dáa ẹ̀dẹ̀ báyé Mohbad jẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ fògùn ẹ fi báyé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ yí kádàrá ọmọ yẹn padà Wùmí ò bá ti gbé ọmọ ò bá ti gba gbogbo nǹkan tí Mohbad ní including his house including all his cars including all the money even including the royalty ò bá ti gbà á kó dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ ẹ kó sá lọ àbí torí pé Mohbad jọmọ ológo within few months ó máa make gbogbo nǹkan tó gbà yín ó máa make ò bá má ti pa ò bá ti sá lọ ó pa ọmọ yẹn láti cover shame ọmọ àlè tó bí ṣé kò wá tú síta you buy that boy in order to cover your shame is everything not in the open now so what have you covered is your shame not shaming you ṣé kìí ṣe mọ́ disgrace ìtìjú ló ń gbà báwo ló ṣe ń sùn tó ń jí Cynthia báwo ló ṣe ń sùn tó ń jí wá ṣe díẹ̀ ni ò ń sá kiri ibi tó ti ń sá yẹn wàá kàn sálé ikú lọ́wọ́ ni ibi tó ti ń sá yẹn wàá sálé àrùn lọ́wọ́ wàá sálé àgbákò lọ́wọ́ wàá sáré wàá kàn kó síkú lọ́wọ́ ni máa sá kiri tí ẹ níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ìwọ Ìyábọ̀ ọmọ ẹ ṣe wedding jọ́sí ẹ ṣe church service fún wọ́n ṣe praise God ó ń ṣe hallelujah hallelujah kọ́nà mú ẹnu ẹ̀ yẹn kó di stroke mẹ́ lẹ́nu kẹ́nu ẹ̀ wọ́sẹ̀ gàgàgàgàgà bó ṣe kọ́nà ṣe é nìyẹn ó ń ṣe hallelujah wàá káwọ́ sókè kọ́nà gé ọwọ́ yẹn dànù you guys are full of evil you are full of evil ẹ wá deep send lórí bàbá Ìyábọ̀ ìwọ ló ń jà fún property ó jẹ́ mọ̀ pé bàbá ò jà fún property ó wá manipulate everybody ẹ wá ń bú bàbá yìí ẹ wá ń yẹ̀yẹ́ bàbá yìí ẹ yẹ fork and knife ti bàbá yìí tó gé lẹ́sẹ̀ yìí tó gé lápá yìí tó gé lórí kẹ wá imagine pé people bàbá does not have people around him tó dúró fún grandma would have gone into depression. Baba would have gone into depression or probably died. Kéèyàn witness ikú ọmọ kó dẹ̀ tún máa ṣe kó máa fìtínà tiẹ̀ báyìí. Ṣé life ẹnìyẹn máa remain the same ni? Èmi tí màmá mi kú at 82. How many years ago now? Mo ìké ní last month. Because she was a valuable mother to me. Ṣé 82 kéré láti kú ni? Mo ń sọkún màmá mi up to today. Tí n bá rántí màá tún máa ké ni. À ń bọ̀ torí ọmọ kékeré. Ṣé rò pé life bàbá Mohbad máa remain the same? It won't. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká tanra wá.
Sorry, ma, just to interject. What you have said, Emma Bino.
Okay.
Yes, last week was the 23rd year Timo lose daddy mi. Mo ṣì ń sunkún di èní 23 years after.
God bless you, my
If
sister.
the child can still be crying for the father, how much more the reverse? Kó wá jẹ́ pé òbí ẹ̀ ló lose ọmọ ẹ̀. Just to add to your point, ni.
God bless you, my sister. 23 years after, she's still crying that she lost her dad. Ṣé bó máa ń gbàdúrà ni pé kọ́mọ gbẹ̀yìn èèyàn. My sister here, wọ́n gbẹ̀yìn bàbá wọn. But she's still crying because the man is of great value. Kẹ́ wá imagine ọmọ kókó mọ́yàn lọ́wọ́. Ẹkún ayérayé ni. But Mohbad's life will not remain the same again. Àfi tí a bá fẹ́ tanra wá. Ìgbà tí màmá ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan kú màmá mi ò tí kún gbà yẹn. Tí n bá pè é lágbátá sọ̀rọ̀ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Òun náà ti mọ sí ọmọ wò pé èwo ló ń kú ṣe bí màmá ẹ̀ ti kú. Màmá ti kú ò dẹ̀ move on after how many years? ṣe rí gbà tí tèmi dé ni mo ní mo máa sọ fọ́rẹ́ mi yẹn mo ní láyé mi jẹ́ sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ fún ẹ yẹn mọ́ mo ní mo máa ń rò ní mo ti sọ fún ríńjọ́ kan pé èwo ló ń ké fún ṣe bó ti 3 years after tí màmá ẹ̀ kú ló ké ńjọ́ yẹn tèmi kàn pé mi mọ̀ pé ó ń ké ni àṣé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi màmá ẹ̀ náà kú àti bóyá 87 o ló ń ké ẹkún yẹ ẹ̀ after 3 years màmá tèmi tó ti kú láti jọ́ òun sìn mo yìn kẹ́ wá sọ ọmọ ológo kò lógo ẹ dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn gbé ọmọ sí gbogbo yín máa gbọ́ ọmọ sí ni because sometimes you don't kàn bí mi kí ni bàbá Mohbad ṣe Ìyábọ̀ kí ni bàbá Mohbad rà nígbà ìṣàlọ́ba ló ń jẹ́ ni ṣé ó tán mọ́ bàbá Mohbad ni àbí bàbá Mohbad ti bímọ síta kan tó bí Mohbad tá a mọ̀ ni àbí I don't know mo kàn ń béèrè ni àbí bàbá Mohbad àbí Ìyábọ̀ ló bí Mohbad ni tí bàbá Mohbad ò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bóyá Ìyábọ̀ ló bí Mohbad because I don't know why she's so involved nínú family oní family àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ mú gbó kiri títí
ọmọ ẹlẹ́yàn
wọ́n náà ó mú gbó.
ọmọ ẹlẹ́yàn
Yes,
ẹjọ́
ma'am.
tó lọ lọ́hùn kí ni spice gbé sí ibà nǹkan tó yẹ kí gòkè ní ẹni oríta.
Fẹ́mi talk sí ni spicy gist ṣe fẹ́ kà á.
spice jọ sùn sẹ́yìn kò jẹ́ kí n ráàyè ká mi oríta.
Ó wà lórí Facebook Kẹ́mi Talks èmi náà rí ń bẹ̀.
kí ló kọ síbẹ̀ ṣe lè rí ká ní all these developments that Mohbad that told the UK something Saheed Elegushi up as he was ní oríta nǹkan ló ṣò.
Spicy ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ ó kàn sọ pé bàbá Mohbad sọ pé orúkọ Ẹlẹ́gùṣì wà ní petition tí Mohbad kọ.
bọ̀ tí ò bá dárúkọ bàbá Mohbad ṣe ní gbogbo ayé mọ̀ forúkọ Ẹlẹ́gùṣì wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ló wá forúkọ bàbá Mohbad sí.
Ṣe mọ̀ pé òun tiẹ̀ upside down ló máa ń ṣe nǹkan ìgbà mi but tí ẹ bá lọ wọ comment section yẹn bó ṣe ń bú Ìyábọ̀ mà náà ń bú Wùnmí táwọn kan sọ pé ó mì pé wọ́n ti mọ̀yàn tó pa Mohbad. Tẹ́ bá lọ comment section torí mo rí mo dẹ̀ lọ comment section.
ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà máa ń wà somehow ẹ bá gbọ́ láàárọ̀ ẹ máa ní ìkọ́ báyìí náà máa dọ̀sán báyìí torí wọ́n bá ti tán àníkà ṣàjẹ́ ká máa ra ṣe lọ bá dé lọ yìí it is well.
Àbí?
Torí àlejò ìjọ Nàìjíríà ṣòro jó.
Ó ṣòro jó ẹ parọ́. So kí ni bàbá Mohbad ṣé Ìyábọ̀ ló bí Mohbad because mo jókòó mo rò títí ó fa ẹrù ẹlẹ́rù ó gbé ẹrù ẹlẹ́rù ó gbé sórí òde fa tiẹ̀ dání ilé ayé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ lọ Festus ni ó kàn fẹsẹ̀ gbá títì kiri ni àgbọ́ pé ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ kankan níbì kankan àbí influencer ló náà ń ṣe àgbọ́ pé ó ń ṣe any source of income igbó la gbọ́ tó ń mu kiri ó dẹ̀ fojú tó kó mú lọ rehab kó wá nǹkan ṣe sí bó ṣe pé wà pọ́n lẹ̀ wàá máa fàdúrà ràn án lọ́wọ́ ni wàá lajú ẹ̀ sí ọ̀nà Ọlọ́run ó dẹ̀ fa tiẹ̀ dání ó gbẹ́rù ẹ̀ lẹ́rù lórí ẹjọ́ kí ló kan Ìyábọ̀ pẹ̀lú fámílì Alọ́ba ṣé wọ́n relate ni àbí báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ olè tó fẹ́ jà Ìyábọ̀ olè bàráwò olè torí owó tó fẹ́ jí torí owó tó fẹ́ gbà royalty tó fẹ́ gbà ló ṣe wà lẹ́yìn Wùnmí Àṣànà kó lè fún ẹ ní kọ́ọ̀tì tiẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin alápá má ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lápá tẹ́ lè ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀rọ bíbí yín growing up my mother keeps saying it iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín ni onítàn yín jẹ none of my siblings got married without a job gbogbo wa my mother ensured pa níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ à ń parí yunifásitì báyìí à ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ báyìí kọ́rọ̀ ọkọ tó dé we never thought of ọkọ kò tí ẹ ń ṣojú ayé màmá mi you can't be a liability to a man that's what my mother keeps saying ẹ̀yin ò lè fapá ṣiṣẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa tẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin ọkùnrin is a means to an end for me ọkùnrin is not a means to an end for me tí ọkùnrin bá fún mi ádàdì ló jẹ́ it's not a means to an end my mother ensured that she pushed us after first degree
encourage us to go for second degree so that we are not dependent on a man. Mama mi máa ń sọ ọkùnrin ò ṣe gbójúlé financially iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín ni ò ní tàn yín jẹ. If anything happens, you'll be able to stand on your own. Àti pé màmá mi mọ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi kan náà àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkọ ẹ̀ kú. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kankan ò tí ì wọ yunifásitì nígbà tọ́kọ. Okay, ọmọ first born wà ní yunifásitì nígbà tọ́kọ ẹ̀ kú. She trained her kids in university. Private university conveners làwọn ọmọ lọ. Okay, the first one ló lọ Ìbàdàn. The second one lọ convenant. Why? She has a source of income. And she was young then. Remarry. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ní kí ló fẹ́ fọkùnrin ṣe mọ́. Òun ti bọ́kùnrin, òun ti bóbìnrin. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tọmọ ní school. Ìyábọ̀ tọmọ tì. Mo gbọ́ pé kí lorúkọ tí Òṣòdì yẹn ná. Olúọmọ ló bẹ̀ tọ́ ọmọ. Kí ló wá gbélé ayé ṣe? Mo wà ṣọ́ọ̀pọ̀ owó bàbá jẹ́gẹ́jẹ́gẹ́. Owó ọba níkòró. Owó oṣù lẹ́lẹ́. Ó ló ń kójọ tó fi ń ṣayé. Tó fi ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ṣe láìvù nìyẹn. Ẹ lè fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ àfi kẹ́ máa bá ti ọkùnrin jẹ́. Wùmí, whether you like it or not, díẹ̀ nìyẹn a máa ṣe. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ gbà fún wa. Justice yẹn a máa gbà. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ gbà fún wa by the special grace of God. Thank you, the host, for the opportunity. Thank you, everyone, for listening to me. Have a beautiful afternoon. Happy Sunday to everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma. I just want to appreciate you. I have been listening to you on several occasions, and I really, I used to learn a lot from your submission, and from what you have said, I could see the pain and, it has been so Latino, and you have actually made us understand the importance why we should train up especially our girl child, not to be dependent on a man, which is something I totally believe and strongly believe on. And let me also use this opportunity to say thank you to your mom, because I've heard your story several times when you appreciated her for single-handedly raising you and your siblings. And these are stories, that resonates and makes sense to us when we listen. So at times this justice for Mohbad is not only, we talk about justice, but when we hear other people share their story, it brings that inspiration that yes, if a woman can do this, then we can as well, improve on ourselves and become something better for the society. There is something you keep emphasizing anytime I listen to you, is that what value do people, bring? What impact do they make in the society? So if we all think in that way, that I really want to make a change, I want to impact other people positively in this time around. I want to see how I can, make other people happy and transform their life. Because when I look at, this Iyabo Ojo wedding, though I'm not jealous, but it's good if you have the opportunity to, celebrate your daughter. She's getting married, fine. You don't know Binoni, Ayoni, but I now look at it. But what happens? There are a lot of people who are suffering, who cannot even, they don't have any hope for the next day meal. They don't have any hope for the next meal in their life. Value one thing she has done. To be sincere, I'm trying to figure things out. That how do people think in this way, that is just carry me? Why not also contribute positively to help? To some package of monies, to help. It will go a long way. But nobody can control anybody. But I just want to say that let us also think, the more karma fee sínú life wa pé let us help other people. Ẹni tí ò lówó lẹ́ni, ẹni tí ò rí ṣe, kì í ṣe pé kóun náà máa ṣe, kò tí bóyá kò tí bọ́ sí. People are struggling. It's not that they too, they don't wish to be happy, but life happens to people. Life happens. But let's try our best, no matter how little it is. Believe everything has to be me. Let us also extend our hand of fellowship to our next neighbor, irrespective of whether the person appreciates it or not. God bless you, ma. God bless you. I'm really, I so, I love to say I love you, ma. I know that this is the type of mothers that, one can benefit from, one can learn from. God bless you.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you, my sister. God bless you too. Thank you so much. Young couples, intending couples, teenagers in the area of perfectly well, and I understand what men want in women, and I understand what women want in men. So méjèèjì yẹn ni mo gbé yẹ̀wò, and that's why I keep saying pé kí ni value tí Wùmí ní. A lot of men, they don't care about being intimate with a woman. They don't care about doing the do. Ọkùnrin lè bọ́ sí títì nsìn ìlú tá ti ẹ̀wà tó jẹ́ pé $20 for $1 ní obìnrin, $50 for $1 lóbìnrin nílùú yìí tó bá ń lọ títì tó fine tó ṣe gẹ̀, especially our African, wọ́n á ṣẹ́wọ́ sí ẹni wọ́n á pè é. So and get it anyway. Now restaurants wà everywhere. Mo fẹ́ jẹun, mo fẹ́ ṣe kinní kan, àwọn ọkùnrin míì mọ náà dá. So they don't need a woman to cook for them. Even I know some men who are married, they cook 80% of the time because they enjoy cooking. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè lọ restaurants, but kí lọkùnrin wá lára obìnrin? Submission, loyalty, respect, which you can't get from anybody. But Wùmí láàkì gbogbo ilé still Mohbad jókòó tì lọ́rùn. And that's why tó ṣe ń dùn mí. Sometimes mo máa ń wò pé I wish I knew this Mohbad. Me like Naira Marley, me like orin Naira Marley, so me ń gbọ́. Ṣé mo tí orin kan bá ti ń kọ tí bá ní ta ló ń kọrin gbogbo àwọn Wizkid nǹkan kan yẹn, èmi ò ń gbọ́ orin wọn, mi ti ẹ̀ lè differentiate orin wọn ná. It's not my kind of orin. KSA lèmi like Sunny Adé. Then mo máa ń gbọ́ Don Moen. Mo máa ń gbọ́ Don Moen gan. In fact, is my favorite. So tó bá ti ń kọ orin yẹn èmi ò ń gbọ́, tí bá ti gbọ́ tó ní Naira Marley máa ń kí ló ń ṣe bọ̀bọ́ ìròyìn wo ló ń kọ. So mi ń gbọ́ orin yẹn ò jẹ́ kí n mọ Mohbad. Mo máa wish pé mo mọ Mohbad. Ọkùnrin fẹ́ obìnrin tó ní virtues. There are some virtues, there are some qualities tí ọkùnrin máa ń wá lára obìnrin. Gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń gbọ́ mi wọ́n mọ̀. Some people, they are not after beauty. Oh fine is not their problem. They are the person, your behavior. Every ọkùnrin ló ní nǹkan tó ń wá lára ọkùnrin, lára obìnrin. But even ọkùnrin tó ń wá beauty, ìwà náà ń wá. Wùmí láàkẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ní every reason ní Mohbad ní láti lè síta. But Mohbad ò rí ilé tó wọ́n ti fògùn tá ẹ̀ down. Wọ́n ti fògùn tá ẹ̀ down. Àwa obìnrin iṣẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa tá máa ṣe. Wọ́n sọ fún ìyá Mohbad pé ọmọ ológo lọmọ tó wà nínú ẹ̀yìn ìgbà tó lóyún. Bàbá Mohbad ò bá máa gúnyán lórí ẹ̀, kó máa ro ọkà lórí ẹ̀, mọ́ọ̀sọ̀ bàbá Mohbad kọ́ ló ṣe. Bàbá Mohbad ò bá máa gúnyán lórí ẹ̀, kó máa ro ẹ̀bà lórí ẹ̀. Kí bàbá Mohbad ti máa fọ́ bí aṣọ, á ní sùúrù torí ọmọ ẹ̀. We have seen women tó jẹ́ pé ọkọ wọn fojú wọn rí ṣégè, bọ̀ wọ́n á ní torí ọmọ ni. I'm not encouraging people staying in abusive marriage, right? But I'm just saying it that there are some things you will endure. Ìyá Mohbad ló bà ayé Mohbad jẹ́. Let me tell you something. The role of a woman in the home, ní agbára. Like I always say, my mom trained us. Can you believe, growing up, my mom trained us with the word of God, the house chores, then iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ká lọ school. Do you know after my first degree, ni mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní boyfriend. That fear was inculcated in me, though he affected me negatively. Ní gbogbo àwọn siblings mi, mo pẹ́ díẹ̀ kí n tó marry. But to the glory of God, eventually I got married. Sorry, I saw men like piece of rag. Pé kí ló fẹ́ ṣe fún mi. I rose to the peak of my career in Nigeria before I came to this country. If I tell you where I work, I will pay. I rose to the peak of my career. Mo rí ọkùnrin as slippers. Mo ń fi wọ́n ṣakọ. Ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ lé ọdún méjì ló fi bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ó dẹ̀ wà nílùú òyìnbó.
Ìlú òyìnbó was nothing to me because I had everything I wanted. I was doing very well in Nigeria. So mi rí ọkùnrin as ó lè meet need mi. Àwọn obìnrin iṣẹ́ tá máa ṣe lọ́wọ́ wa ó pọ̀. My mother, you know, she was like a guardian angel in our lives. Àwa obìnrin ẹjọ́ mo fi ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ má abandon àwọn ọmọ yín for whatever reason. Ẹ má fi àwọn ọmọ yín sílẹ̀ ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. The role of a woman in the home, I can even say, is more valuable than men. Kò easy fọkùnrin láti tọ́mọ. Ṣọmọ ló máa kọ́ obìnrin bó ṣe máa ṣe menstruation. Ṣọmọ ló máa kọ́ obìnrin about hygiene during menstruation. But a woman can train a girl, can train a man, a boy. A woman can train a boy child. Have a male son. My brother went to Unibadan. He never slept with a woman until he got married in his life. Though my brother is a pastor, àti kékeré mo ti gbọ́njú mọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi as ọmọ Jésù. Àti kékeré bóyá 4 years téèyàn gbọ́njú, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti gbọ́njú sínú Jésù. So what I'm saying is my mother raised us, ó raise obìnrin, ó raise ọkùnrin. Can a man do this? No. Ta ni mo ṣe period. Ta ló máa guide me through? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn obìnrin ẹ má jẹ́ ká abandon àwọn ọmọ wa. Abandonment tí ìyá Mohbad ṣe fún Mohbad di èní. Abandonment tí ìyá Mohbad abandon ẹ ló jẹ́ kí ọmọ yẹn kó sọ́wọ́. A good mother will scrutinize the wife or the husband tí ọmọ ẹ mú bọ̀ wálé. Kò sí ìyá kankan mélòó làwọn ọkùnrin fẹ́ ṣe. Ọkùnrin ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀, that's not their own core area. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín, mo fi ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀yin ará mi nínú Olúwa. I'm talking to the Corinthians. Mo fi ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀yin obìnrin ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ yín, ẹ fojú tó ọmọ yín. If you have to leave your husband's house for any reason, is abusive me lè kẹ́ kú sílé ọkọ, go with your children. Ọlọ́run á pèsè fún yín, Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́ láti gbé bùkátà mi. Bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ràn bàbá Mohbad lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ká fi ìwà burúkú ká fi bayé àwọn ọmọ ológo wa jẹ́, mo fi ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. It is very important. Mohbad tó ìlò sọ ọmọ ẹbí tó ló wá máa ṣàgbére. Ṣé olówó wáyé ọmọ ó tún wá kúrò nílé ọkọ wa? Mohbad tiẹ̀. Mo imagine blessing started a period. Mi mọ̀ nǹkan tí bàbá Mohbad sọ fún. It's easy for we women to train children. Àti rí àwọn obìnrin tọkọ wọn kú. Ìyàwó ẹ̀gbọ́n ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan. Ọkọ ẹ̀ kú at 20 something. Up to now she never remarried. She kept saying, "Bó ni mo ti fẹ́ meet irú ọkùnrin." Ọkọ ẹ̀ pamper ẹ̀ gan. At 28. She's in her 50s now. Kò remarry. Ọmọ kan ṣoṣo yẹn náà ló bí. Ọmọ kan tó bí fọ́kọ ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ tó ènìyàn ọmọ yẹn UK ń bẹ̀ yẹn ló wà. Ó di ró ó di gbá. But can we do this? No. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin obìnrin mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fojú ọmọ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fojú tọ́mọ, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.